Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my pudding vermicelle. Now, if you're in my Facebook group, then you know I have shared a recipe already for vermicelle pudding, but this one will be a little bit different. This one has no milk. You may call this vegan. It's a vegan vermicelle pudding. Which I'm gonna use just like a sugar syrup. So we need water, we need some vermicelle. I have already break them into small pieces, granulated sugar, some cardamom pods, ghee. This is ghee without melting, some dry raisins, some saffron dissolved in water. If you can't find saffron, you don't have saffron on hand, just use a little bit of food color dissolved in a little bit of water. And I'm gonna take it to the stove, so we're gonna start cooking this without wasting any time. I have a pan here, non-stick, over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add water. This is going to be very quick and easy. It's gonna be a little bit different as usual. Now to this water, I'm gonna add my sugar, the ghee, everything gonna be together in this pan. This ghee is going to melt. So now you guys can see the water started to boil a little bit and the ghee is melting. Add the cardamom pod, the saffron dissolved in water, add that as well, and the dry raisin. And mix and let this come to a boil. Okay, so now the syrup is boiling and now it's time to add the vermicelle. I have not showed you the almond, sliced almond. I'm gonna add about half cup. Now stir this constantly. You can use thick vermicelle in this recipe. Okay guys, now you can see all the water dry, and I have not stopped mixing this. I kept stirring the vermicelle pudding the whole time, and it's been about 7 minutes. Okay guys, you're also gonna have a tray ready and grease well with butter. Okay, and now we're gonna pour all the vermicelle on the grease tray, and then just gonna layer them evenly with the help of a spoon. And now all you're gonna do is just try to make them smooth everywhere. Okay, so now this is smooth, clean, neat, and now all we're gonna do is just wait, let this cool completely, let it set completely. It'll take hours, depending, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, until you know you can cut them into square slices, square pieces. If you really want to eat the Mauritian traditional vermicelle pudding, this is the one. Get the full written ingredient down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. I will see you next time. Bye.